Barely a day ago, we unearthed the mighty Samsung Galaxy A25 in the depths of the Geekbench online treasure trove. Guess what? It's not just any phone. It's a powerhouse equipped with Samsung's Exynos 1280 chipset. But hold on to your hats, because in less than 24 hours, we got an exclusive list of mind-blowing specs courtesy of an undercover source at X. Prepare to be dazzled by the Galaxy A25's colossal 6.44-inch AMOLED touchscreen. And that's not all. This beast packs a whopping 50MP main rear camera, 8 GB of RAM for lightning-fast performance, and a Colossal 5000 mAh battery. But here's the kicker. It supports a blazing fast 25-watt wired charging. Oh, and did I mention it'll be running on Android 14 with a sleek One UI 6 on top right out of the box? This means you won't have to wait long to get your hands on this technological marvel. Well, not too long anyway. Our insider says it's coming in the coming months. But wait, there's more. We got insider confirmation on that impressive Exynos chipset and the 6.44-inch screen size that got us all buzzing back in June. Yep, it's legit. We even have the exact dimensions, 162 x 77.5 x 8.3 millimeters, and the cherry on top, the Galaxy A25 still keeps the beloved 3.5 millimeters headphone jack. That's the scoop on the Galaxy A25 for now. But stay glued to your seats, because we'll be serving up fresh intel as soon as we get our hands on it. Exciting times are ahead. Peace out.